Secure the material clamps in the initial engraving position. We need to close the safety door as the large size of the accessories. The administrator password is Sculpfun G9. The default parameters are those recommended by our engineers. You can change them if you have any other suggestions. Change to expanded engraving mode in the lower right corner of the interface. Adjust the size of the engraving materials according to the engraving area. Select reversal and dither mode. Power is 100%. Dotting time is 280 microseconds. Click Focus. Click on Preview and it will prompt a reset. Press the reset button to reset it to the initial position. Click on Yes to preview. Click on Mark and it will prompt a reset. Click Yes to start engraving. Adjust the size of the vector according to the cutting area. Select blue light source. Power is 100, speed is 5. Click on Preview and it will prompt a reset. Press the reset button to reset it to the initial position. Click on Yes to preview. Click on Mark and it will prompt a reset. Press the reset button to reset it to the initial position. Click on Yes to start cutting.